Hi kids! Welcome back to Moony! Today, we're going to learn all about color chemistry, and we have a super cool science experiment. Are you excited?
Yes!
I can't hear you! Are you excited?
Yes!
Awesome! Me too! Let's get into it! Is it cold enough to wear a jacket outside? I know! Let's create a color thermometer to tell us! Using a rubbery polymer, we can create a flexible thermometer that'll cling to the window. If we add heat-sensitive color to the silicone and the glass of the window is cold, the silicone should change color as it cools down.
Wow!
Let's try it! For this experiment, I'm using Crayola's color chemistry kit. We're gonna need silicone part A, silicone part B, a clean shaker, a mold, and of course, you'll need a cup of cold water to test it out. This is our clean shaker right here. As you can see, there are two lines. One says B and one says A. We're gonna take silicone part B and fill it up to the B line. Perfect. Now, we're gonna take silicone part A and add it to the A line. Now we're gonna put the lid on and shake it. Next, we're gonna pour our mixture into our icicle mold. Now, we just have to wait 15 minutes, and then it'll be ready. All right, the 15 minutes is up. Let's carefully remove our silicone polymer from the mold.
Wow!
Whoa, cool! Now, we're gonna dip it into cold water. Let's see what happens.
Wow!
Notice how it gets darker? That means it's cold. Let's see what happens when it warms up. I'm using body heat. It turned back to normal. Wow, that's so cool. Thank you so much for creating a color thermometer with me today. I had so much fun. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.